paralok baro mentangan pen EP kumno bangin lejeng let adangi dan Delhi lagi kwa ban let kom saki jaga ki bajan kom shopo Uttarakhand lani Himachal Pradesh ting menta kom ba pio ingran hapo Kashmiri Gate ting ya ban buk bas napa Kashmiri Gate okay tinang tu pedang isala ban let ti kom ba pio hang ne ki bon ba ki pat ba ti kani kapong ada hapo jang ke bus kalong kom ni kadi ke sleeper bus ti kan AC kabyang na dong sedang ba kasau tenat pa ti kat bangi dang abya ka bus ban mi kini ki brio shobar kitang ya yat kai hadin katu kan ikan tang la hiara kan ka dhaba ba itenat pa bangine hiar ban ya bam tang ba hang ni ka dhaba kadi ka veg dhaba ngam das ngotenat than tamba kalong very crowded palan namar baki bun brio pha kalong kum ke yang yatho tamba ka ba flop kalong ba kadai ka veg restaurant te kum ta ban se habnya bam la ka bam ta man la yap thangan mo kum mangi ong te kum mangi la ban yo imenta ini parlok chongai la order da ka veg thali ti mdando kan yu pimot pakadando nga padang ngadang order yau masala dosa bat ka drinks changa ting kadang up la tangan ro kata hi tang ba kaslem balat tinata pinyo iba ngalayo yau masala dosa tengal abam hi kenda tamangam dal abam than mar bangla di ke but kani ka black currant fruits juice te ban fresh ka mai la jong adi ka tu te menta la shong biang habas menta te ngandele ban thia no kanang ba anda kandet be ka por ka bala boy te till then good night, see you in the morning, bye bye. Good morning guys. So the moment I woke up here I feel like I'm in Nongpo because of the landscape and the location. It feels just like I'm in Meghalaya and it makes me feel like I'm in Shillong or I'm going to Shillong kasi tanat bagani ka jaka kilom kiding kisidru kilong bitik kom chapo chala jongi tu kambang ilaban yo inang ni kite kide kilo Himalaya mentaro dang kamdunau tha namang padhap tha hendai de kapot lang ki hab ki tha ki asian ni diplab nyo iri ki wadu ki be itna makalenti ka kamsne hu shini shanong kundong kandian hendai tamba it's worth it te mentang la pai ha ni ka jaka ka bangi sam ngi ka sutel ni ka hostel ka de ka jaka ka bas bahan makatat ru tamba ka quality kalong very good te kumpio te di manga bala kapla la than sampun kana ro katahi te kumpio kiti kilo ki badan ki bakka pelon ya kani. So guys, we have reached in our location. This is a bit far from Dharamshala, but for now I'll give you a tour guide of my room for tonight. So, here is a bathroom. This is a bedroom. This one is for my friend. This is for me, of course. We have a TV. I mean, who watch TV nowadays? So we have this tiny sitting room, and the best part is we have a very nice view from here. So, this feels like home. There's a river down there. It feels like I'm in Meghalaya. That's why I love coming to this area like Uttarakhand, Himachal. It's the closest to Meghalaya when it comes to feelings, you know. These are some, what trees are these? I don't know. I don't think it's apple also. And then I will show you outside later. And that is me. Till then, see you. So guys, this is the location I am staying, and that is my room. And now I'll show you outside. Okay, so we have that tiny pool over there, and this is a very beautiful cottage. And then what's more exciting is this one. We have swimming pool. I want to jump in there, but I don't know how to swim, and the water also is cold. So what am I supposed to do? I think this will fit me. Yeah, tiny guy like me will fit me. Yeah. Ang ballet can ballet ti bakin pen khot ballet. It looks very dirty. Ang ba? Kani ko kabawan nang ni kani ka batun na kita kilom natin na po Himalaya mountain. Lagan harang ni ang penti. It is the It looks like it will rain today. It's fun. I feel like I'm in Shillong. The weather is good. So we have this very nice place also. Very cute. This place looks expensive, but it's not. So if you are traveling here and there, make sure you search this. Actually, this is not a hotel, it's a zoo. So still. And it's cheap also. And also, they have like a dormitory where you have to pay only like 500 a month, like that. Not a month, a day. 500 a day. Look from here, it's so good. So good, so good, so good. So we have a bridge. Cute. This is the entrance. So still. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Kalong peaceful bahaga ni kajaka. Ngoten nat. Napila tray ko matray mga Delhi. You need this for your mental health. Honey, balay mamaya pet yang. Balay. It's beautiful. Ti ko mangiyo hakane ka zoster ka mga sa kidan ka game room ka bangila banyo ni kidan ko ka jaka balik pools nang tada golf nang tada ka table football mo ka to ka bagyon nang tada ka table tennis kidan ka carom board ka chess ka uno nang tada kidan ka kat bangila puli. Di ko mangilaban nyo inabar jo ka game room ngilaban nyo kani ka wa ka badan chidin jo kani ka jaka ka bangisa kalong ka aka ka ba itanat ka ba pen melong ya ka mensim ka jonga na marba kilom ki ding ki wa ki khoj kum ki ki jongi siapa ka ri ka jala jongi kapen melong ru ya ka mensim jonga na kapen kan ma nga ki por ka mga shlit shet pa ki para lok siapa kalong ka aka bas ngotan nat patkat nong akwa pangat poi bangas ni kapor te kom tangin saya syam yang bat pi hakaway pat kapat jo ka video